All right, Michael's back to give us a little closer look at weather. And you know, those people out there, when you can get the deals beforehand, they're already offering the Black Friday deals before Black Friday.
I know.
with you on that.
And people tell me they like it. It's a whole
Tradition,
thing that they
right?
do every year. The camaraderie and the waiting in line, and it's their holiday
each his
thing.
own, right?
I know,
To each his
definitely. You guys can do it.
Yeah, hey, we had a little bit of weather that I think kind of appealed to everybody today. Some rain in spots early this morning. You had to be an early riser to see it. I've got some more rain to show you right now on the radar. It's moving in from the northeast to the southwest on that east-northeasterly wind. It's moving pretty fast at about 15 to 20 miles an hour from Boca to Deerfield Beach, parts of Interstate 95. Wet right now, and we're going to follow this line to the southwest. A heavier downpour right now passing sunrise. Other than that, we're going to see those off and on showers overnight into tomorrow morning. Again, they're riding in on that east-northeasterly wind at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. More of the same really for tomorrow. An area of low pressure has developed just to the east of Jacksonville. It's going to be a slow-moving area of low pressure, and it's going to keep that chance of showers in the forecast off and on in nature through our Sunday and maybe even into our Monday as well before it finally gets on out of here. That's really the only game in town across the southeast. Here's a look at this forecast setup starting at 8 o'clock Sunday morning. An area of low pressure just off to the east, high pressure to the north. We get what we call as a tight pressure gradient, so an east-northeasterly wind. That's going to give us those rip currents. Now, as we get through Monday into Tuesday, that area of low pressure slowly makes its way up the eastern seaboard, what's left of it. High pressure builds in. Cooler weather. You're going to notice that Wednesday into Thursday. Also going to be pretty breezy at times Wednesday into Thursday. So get ready for a change just in time for the upcoming holiday. Beachgoers, clouds first thing in the morning, becoming mostly sunny in the afternoon. That water temperature not too bad, 78 degrees UV index. Moderate winds east-northeast 15 to 20. And remember the rip current risk on the medium side. Out on the water, Dade and Broward, no advisories. Winds northeast 10 to 15 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet. Look for a moderate chop on bays and inland waters. And for you across the Keys, no advisories for you either. Northeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop on those bays. Inside the reef, seas 1 to 2 feet. Beyond the reef, 2 to 4. Here's my forecast for you on your Sunday. Enjoy starting out with clouds, a couple of showers, the rain chance relatively low, going to be mild as we head up to about 80, starting out in the upper 60s. Here's a look at the next 3 days as we get closer and closer to the holiday. Temperatures start to come down Tuesday. Look at that overnight low Tuesday morning in the lower 60s. Even better on Wednesday, right around 62. On Thanksgiving Day, partly cloudy, 76, feeling nice and looking good. Hey, if you like it cool, I've got a good forecast for you. We got cloudy skies in place right now. A little bit of light drizzle overhead, but other than that, it feels pretty comfortable for this time of year. In fact, temperatures below normal, thanks to that northwesterly wind at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, dragging in the upper 50s right now in Pompano Beach. It's 61 in Miami. Our average low, in case you're wondering, 68. So well below that this morning.
Thanks, Rob.
A lot of people perhaps traveling today and tomorrow for sure, yeah.
Yeah, Wednesday, a busy day. I'm hopping on a plane after work, going up to Atlanta. So let's check out the weather because hot Atlanta, and it's not going to be so hot there. It's not hot here either this morning. We got those clouds in place and a little bit of light drizzle. It's not being picked up on the radar. Winds right now, northwest at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, bringing in that cooler air from the north, and those winds from the northwest are going to stay put throughout our Tuesday. Right now, 61 in Miami, 59 Pompano Beach, 63 Marathon. Good morning to you in Key West at 67 degrees. If you're wondering what our average low for this time of year is, it's 68, so we're well below that. All right, radar and clouds over the last 12 hours. Showers offshore, you can see them right there. And we've got these low clouds hanging out across a good chunk of the peninsula. We're going to break up those clouds later on this morning into this afternoon. And I want to show you the big picture here across the lower 48. Maybe you're traveling today up to the northeast. Clouds in place, a little bit of light rain and drizzle, but no big storms breaking out. We do have a big storm crashing on shore here across the Pacific Northwest, and it's raining at a pretty good clip around Seattle down to Portland with high mountain snow across the Cascades. Look at that counterclockwise twist with these clouds. That's a very cold pocket of air aloft. Bottom line is it's going to be unsettled across the Pacific Northwest for the next couple of days. Airport delays. Let's see if we got any planes that are not green, and the answer to that is no. So things are right on time for now. You can always check that at justweather.com. Click on the travel tab. 61 now, going to take it up to 76 by noon. Partly sunny, overall cool for this time of year. As we head into Wednesday and Thanksgiving Day, those temperatures, I call that refreshing. 62, 63 early in the morning as we head up to 75 to about 78 Wednesday and Thursday. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Getting into this upcoming weekend, there we go. Those temperatures getting closer to normal, upper 70s to near 80 for our highs, but our overnight lows still running below normal in the lower 60s, the mid 60s in the forecast on Monday morning. That's right. And if you're going to get up and do a walk this morning, it feels nice out.
It does.
Yeah. Temperatures have cooled down to a good 5 to 10 degrees. A couple of showers offshore. They're going to stay put. So the radar is pretty quiet across South Florida. Look at our winds right now from the northwest at 10 miles an hour in Homestead. Same story in Fort Lauderdale. So northwesterly winds bringing in that cooler air from the north and west. Makes sense, right? All right, temperatures elsewhere across Broward County. Look at that. Pompano Beach already down to 60. 62 in Pompano Pines and Hialeah. Kendall, same story. The Keys right now upper 60s to near 70.